Welcome to Lingui Hassa. In today's video, I'm going to explain when to use who and when to use whom. To determine which one is correct, use the he and him method to decide which word is suitable. He for who and him for whom. For example, who or whom wrote the letter? Of course, we can't say him wrote the letter. We have to say he wrote the letter. Therefore, who is correct. Another example, who or whom should I vote? If we ask the question in another way, we would say, should I vote for him? Therefore, whom is the correct answer. Another example, we all know who and whom pulled the prank. This sentence contains two clauses. We all know, and the second clause, who or whom pulled that prank. We are interested in the second clause because it contains the who and whom. Let's create the sentence. He pulled that prank. Therefore, who is correct. Another example. We want to know on who or whom the prank was pulled. The sentence again contains two clauses. We want to know, and the second clause, the prank was pulled on who or whom. Again, we are interested in the second clause because it contains who and whom. The prank was pulled on him. So, whom is the correct answer. I hope this explanation was clear. See you soon.